You will never keep a viewer's attention with a static talking head video. You are being skipped. And that is why you're recording these great insights, but you're just a talking head frozen in the center of the screen. Feels like a Zoom lecture, not a viral shot. And we know that professional editors spend hours keyframing, punches, and zooms to keep the brain engaged. You don't have that time, so you pass flat videos that dies at 200 views. What if I tell you that Eranol API handles the heavy lifting? One click and the API detects your speech patterns to inject dynamic zooms, crop ins, and reset instantly. Or you can actually provide segments where you want the zoom ins to be there. So let's learn how you can add zoom ins on your static videos automatically with the help of Eranol API. So first thing first, we go to our Anatom and then create a new workflow and we will name it Zoom. Add a manual trigger and then add an HTTPS request node. Simple, straightforward. Maybe select post for now. Then we go to eranol.com documentation here. Once you're logged in, you can go to the documentation and then scroll down to the Zoom here. Then we'll copy this URL, go back to our Anatom, come back, and then this is the sample JSON. So let me put that here. So let me first add the authentication. So general credential type and then header auth, and then I've already added my Eranol API, but you can always add it later. You just have to go to your Eranol account, click on API key, and then create a new API key, copy it from here, and then come back to your intent and then edit your API key and put it here. Make sure the name is x-API-key, which is already been provided on the docs here. If you see getting started, you will see that the X API key is here. All right, perfect. That's done. Now send the body using JSON format, and then we will just paste it here. Now, in order to provide the video, so what I did is I uploaded this talking head AI generated video here. It is basically repeating itself, but you can see there is no zoom in at all. It is exactly just one frame and the AI person is just talking. So let's click on the three dots, click on share. And then here, just very important, instead of viewer, it should be editor, and then copy link, done. Go back and provide this link here. Perfect. Now, if I come back and see the video, it is a 30 seconds long video, right? So let me add some zoom, let's say at 4 seconds, and then let's say at 10 seconds, just so that we can analyze it later. Okay, so the segments I want the zoom in start, let's say 5, duration for 5 seconds again, so 10 seconds. And then another one I want at, let's say 22, and the duration is 5 seconds, right? And zoom level is 1.3. So that's good. Once that is added, I'm gonna add a wait, just let's say 5 seconds. And then after that, I am going to add another one. Maybe from Eranol itself, I will choose the job status. I have already added my Eranol account. So instead of HTTP, also you can use the Eranol node. Get status job ID will come here. And then based on the if situation, let's say if the status is completed, then it's fine. And if it is pending or processing, or maybe it is not equal to completed, we just cover all the cases. So we go back here, and then if it is true here. All right. So what I'll do is I'll just run this one. So what it will do is this will create a job ID for us. There your job ID is done. Or does it let me run this? Let me see if I see this one running it. Oh yeah, it does. So then I can actually get this job ID through the wait, which is sequential, I believe, and then run this to understand if the job ID status is still, it is still processing for the zooming. So I am going to go here and the status, I'm going to put it here, and then again in the status, I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to run it, and then obviously it goes back. So let's keep this one running until it finishes and then process, and it makes it completed. Oh, there you go, it's completed now. So if I test it again, it's coming around on true. So once it is done, let me copy this URL of the new file and see how does it look like.
Fail to analyze the situation critically,
So as you see, there you go, zoomed in. Perfect, right? And it zoomed back again, 11 seconds, and the next one we had at 22 seconds. So we're gonna keep playing it and see if it zooms on 22 seconds again. And there you go, 22 seconds, zoomed in again for 5 seconds and then zoomed back again. Perfect. So this is how you add zoom in effect automatically on your videos using Eranol API. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you.